Reverberation. I am in Faenza at this new pizzeria called Farena, which opened about 3 months ago. They say the pizza is definitely very good, but there is also even a lot of reverberation here. Garvan's goal is to reduce noise and reverb in this environment as the place recently opened. We definitely need to find a minimally invasive solution that addresses this issue. Obviously, it's not like designing the acoustics from scratch, in the sense that when you design a place, you try to intervene on the acoustics while doing so. Here we need to intervene in a slightly different, so we have to adapt to the furnishings, to the finishes and details and textures and intricate patterns to find the best compromise. This room is about 150 square meters, and the reverberation time is, estimated reverberation is 2.5 seconds. We cannot install sound absorbing panels in the ceiling because it is somewhat a peculiarity of this place. We exclude this wall because this work has just been completed recently. Here there is a huge bottle shop with a small empty wall at the back. We cannot touch this wall. We are left with this small surface, free or occupied. But where do we place these sound absorbing surfaces? The problem with this place is that people sitting at the same table often indeed struggle to talk. The surfaces of this place are indeed almost all rigid and therefore not sound absorbing. Essentially, they reflect the sounds. So let's try to imagine an evening with many people. They speak simultaneously. The walls tend to reflect the sound, thus bringing back all the sounds. Inside the environment, a specific effect is created, which is an amplification effect. In this, a very negative case thus causes people, even those sitting at the same table, to raise the volume of the voice to understand. And this generates a very negative chain effect. A lot of noise generates stress, so a very reverberant place tends to make people trying to get out this situation soon as possible. Eating in a noisy place, one really risks not fully appreciating what they are eating, and in this case, in this pizzeria that takes great care of every aspect from A to Z, it is a real shame.
I am Tommaso Mainardi, owner of Mainardi Sas in Faenza, and this is a project that we have curated in collaboration with solosuono.com. We identified the issue that was present in this place. Together with the ownership and the technical management, we have tried to look at the various surfaces that we could use to, in an effective and efficient manner, acoustically correct the environment. And from this different survey, as well as then the whole project was essentially born, so that we could prepare all the various necessary elements that we had to apply. We coordinated with the installation team, and in order to effectively and efficiently, with the utmost care and precision in a really short time, practically in one day, we managed to set everything up. The finishes were coordinate with the existing surfaces so that the harmony of the place and the message of the place, the layout of the place was not altered at all. In the project analysis, together with the management team, for the work, we decided to customize both the formats and the colors that were absolutely necessary. Used because in this particular environment, with its unique style, it had to be completely and absolutely, utterly respected. So they were made for custom formats, especially near and inside a specific area. A bottle rack that carefully carries panels all meticulously selected and cut to size, and even the colors have been precisely chosen, differentiated according to the areas where we were going to apply. The work has been completed, so
panels installed here, inside this bottle rack and also on this wall. This intervention has been done with the minimum recommended panels also because we didn't know where to put them. There were many walls that could not be touched, and the same goes for the ceiling. What you hear is that it has significantly improved, so the reverberation, or more commonly known as echo, has decreased. The feedback from customers will be different from the current one. We will make a second video. So we will have feedback from both the customers and the owner, and we hope that he invites us eating the pizza, one of the best in Faenza. See you in the next video. Thanks. See you soon.